Look at this. This is exactly what happens to most AI channels. Somebody clicks the video, watches for a few seconds, then leaves immediately because the video feels dry, robotic, and boring. And once YouTube notices people are leaving fast, it stops pushing the video. But look at this one. The retention stays strong all the way through. People keep watching. Why? Because the creator didn't just generate random AI clips and upload them. They edited the video in a way that keeps people glued to the screen. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using just your phone. No laptop, no expensive software, no complicated setup. Just a simple mobile editing system that makes AI videos feel engaging and addictive to watch. Before we start editing, let's talk about the tools. A lot of people think they need expensive apps and subscriptions to make good videos. You really don't. You only need 3 things, which are: first, your script and voiceover. You can generate AI voiceovers directly from your phone using browser tools or mobile apps. Second, your visual. This could be AI generated clips, animations, or even free stock videos. Just make sure everything is downloaded in good quality. And thirdly, your editing app. For this tutorial, we are using CapCut on mobile editing because honestly, it already has everything you need. So open CapCut, create a new project, import your voiceover first, and let's start building the video. Here is the first secret to keeping people watching. Never leave the screen looking the same for too long. The moment viewers stare at the same image for too many seconds, they get bored and swipe away. So what do? We create what I call visual reset. Watch this. Instead of using one long clip, I'm cutting the visual every 2 or 3 seconds. You can do this in 3 easy ways. First, hard cut. Just switch to another related visual. Second, micro zooms. Split the clips, then zoom in slightly. On the second part, it makes the video feel more alive instantly. Thirdly, camera movement. Use keyframes to slowly move the images across the screen. Tiny movements make a huge difference. The goal is simple: keep the screen active, never let it feel dead. Now let's fix one of the biggest problems with AI videos: the pacing. Most AI voiceovers sound robotic because there is too much empty space between sentences. Real people don't talk like that. So zoom into your audio and remove those tiny silent gaps. Watch this. I split the audio right after the sentence ends. Delete the silence. Pull the next sentence closer. Suddenly, the video feels faster, smoother, and more natural. Now, let's talk about captions. Don't use those tiny default captions CapCut gives you. Make them bigger. Make them bold. Put them where people can actually see them. Bright text with a dark outline works really well. And when the captions move together with the fast pacing, viewers stay locked in, even when they are watching without sound. Section 6. Add layers to your audio. Here is another thing that separates boring videos from professional ones. Sound design. If your video only has an AI voice talking the whole time, it feels empty. You need layers. First, add background music. Pick music that matches the mood of the video, but lower the volume properly. The music should support the voice, not fight it. Now, the second layer is sound effect. Every time text pops up, every time there is a transition, every time something important happens, add a small sound effect. Maybe a swoosh, maybe a pop, maybe a click. These little sounds wake the viewer's brain back up and keep them paying attention. So once your edits are clean, your pacing is fast, your captions are strong, your audio feels alive, export the video in 1080p or 4K at 30 fps. Now you have a high retention video ready for YouTube. But remember, getting views on one video is not enough. The real goal is getting people to watch more of your content. That's how channel grow fast. So in the next video, I'll show you how to structure your channel in a way that keeps viewer binge watching your content and helps you grow much faster. I'll see you there. Bye.